The following segment is sponsored by Ward MD and Form Derm Spa. I am here with Shalia and Dr. Iorio with Form Derm Spa. Ladies, thank you so much for joining us today on Fresh Living.
Thank you for having us.
Of course, we love when you're here. Okay, so you have this procedure that you're doing for women because we matter. That's right. Tell us all about it.
So it's actually called the CO2 Intima procedure. It's used the CO2 laser, which you hear all the time about women getting their full face rejuvenation.
Yeah.
You can actually use it for vaginal rejuvenation, and that's the specific Intima procedure. The CO2 laser in this procedure has been around for 5 to 10 years, and it's an ablative laser that causes directed thermal injury to increase collagen formation and just tighten anything that it touches, basically. And so Shalia is our PA at Ward MD and Form Derm Spa, and she has a ton of experience in this procedure. So it's going to let her talk about her experience.
Amazing, Shalia. Now, who is this good for? Obviously women, right?
Yeah, so pretty much all women, all adult women. The people that I find have the most benefit from this are going to be women who are aging, especially as you're getting near, menopause age. And then any women who have had children, honestly, because your body just goes through a big change. It's a lot to deal with, and we kind of,
yes.
yeah, no, it really does. And so we want to help you just kind of get a little bit closer to your normal and function more properly. When you hear laser vaginal rejuvenation, sometimes people think like, oh, it's cosmetic. It's weird, that's not my kind of thing. Honestly, I see this as more of a medical procedure. It's to help you function. Helps with things like urinary incontinence, laxity of the vaginal wall, can help with sexual pleasure, things like that. So really it's for everybody. Now, the main question that I get from all of my patients is, does it hurt?
That's what I'm thinking too. That is exactly what everyone's thinking, I'm sure.
You think laser, you think that, and you're like, oh my gosh, no, that's not happening. But really, I can tell you this is not a terrible procedure. It takes, I don't know, maybe 10 or 15 minutes, but honestly, the majority of the whole time that you're in the office is just getting you comfortable, making sure that you're laying down and comfortable. We give you your numbing cream, and we just want it to be a comfortable kind of pampering experience for you. Now, during that procedure, we use the CO2 laser, as Dr. Iorio was explaining, inside the vaginal canal as well as the outside, just to tighten things. During it kind of feels like mild cramping, but that's nothing you haven't felt before.
We got this, women. We can do this. Yes.
Especially if you've had children, this is a walk in the park.
Yes.
So it kind of, that's how it works internally, and then we'll also use it externally to help with tightening tissue. The nice thing is that it also helps with urinary incontinence. We can kind of target that. So if you're one of those people that has a hard time sneezing in public, this is for you.
Yes, this is
so
for them.
That's kind of it in a nutshell, how it works.
Sounds like an amazing procedure for women, which we can benefit from, especially if we've had kids. Where can we go for more information to book an appointment?
So you can go to wardmd.com or check out any of our Instagram accounts, WardMD or Form Derm Spa.
Okay, thank you both for being here and explaining that. Great to see you.
Thank you.
Okay.